Hey guys, my name's Ariana, and today I'm gonna be selling movie star planning accounts. Woo! So I had a channel on this before, and then I just stopped posting completely because I was like 9. But we're back! Sorry, the first account is xxpanda x3. She's kind of cute, like a little bit. So she's like kind of rich or whatever. She has 52,000 coins and 3 diamonds. 25 level thing. Um, Here's her clothes. She has a lot. I think it goes down to 116. I don't think I know, because I did this video before. And then I messed up! Here's the next account. This is SodaPlay24. I actually got this account from, I think someone sold it to me. But yeah, I love it so much. I mean, I loved it. Yep, okay. She's like more rich, kind of. She's more diamonds. 60 diamonds and 43,000 coins. Level 24, and her clothing thing goes down to 148. So she's cute. This is L space E space XII, so Lexi. And she's level 12 with 44 diamonds, 363 coins. Yeah. Nothing really special about her. Other than, yeah, nothing special about her. Her, clothing aisle thing goes down to 7. So, kind of basic. This is whatslean, one of my cheaper accounts. She's kind of cute. Actually, I think I might do her for free. So, yeah. She has 120 coins and 1 diamond, level 9, and I'll just show you her clothes because why not? By the way, that is not her girlfriend. That is another one of my accounts. I don't know if you guys can hear me breathing, and it's really bothering me. But yeah, let's go through it. Okay, it goes down to 3. I don't know what else to say about this account other than it's free and it's kind of a decent looking character. So, you know. So this is my girl Berry White Bloom. I don't know if I'm talking too loud and it's scaring me. She's level 15, no diamonds, 1,066 coins. She has a little bit of clothes. Yeah. Also, the prices of all of these will be in the description. I have 2 other girls, but I really don't want to log into the account. So you guys are just gonna have to trust me on these. Fuck, what's her name? Not that. This is Daisy, or I don't know. She's a free account, so if you want her, let me know. And then there was another account. This one, I think. This account is so embarrassing because I've had this account for the longest time and there's so much shit on there, I swear. Yeah. I don't know how much I'll be selling her for because I didn't even show you how much coin she has, you know? But I'm pretty sure that's all the accounts. If not, I'll definitely make a part 2. But I really hope you guys are interested in buying one of these because I want to get rid of them, bro. I don't even play this game anymore. Just let me know if you want one. Bye.